Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our M1 Finance Roth IRA portfolio spreadsheet. So for the month of January, we deposited a total of $600, which was our stimulus check. So the good news with our stimulus check is we put it to work. As you can see here, we purchased a little over six shares of SPHD for about $243 altogether. And that's going to generate a yearly income of almost $12. We also purchased a little over half a share of VTI for $122, and that's going to generate a yearly income of $1.73. We were also able to purchase with that same $600 about $267 worth of VYM, which will generate almost $10 a year in income. So if you add all of those up, that means that we, with our stimulus money, we generated $23.52 worth of income that we will never have to pay tax on. And the good news is SPHD will generate monthly income, and then the other two are quarterly dividend payers. Also, for the month of January, we collected about $19.18 worth of dividends from SPHD, and that's a monthly one. So that's pretty cool. If you've been following the channel for a little while now, you can remember when we were only getting a couple bucks a month. But now every time SPHD pays its dividend, it should be about $19.78. So within the Roth IRA, the total amount of dividends we've received is $229.08. And we're at the point to where if we quit putting money in now, we should still generate $527.24 every year. That's almost 1 month's worth of deposits, because you can put $6,000 in your Roth IRA, which turns into about $500 a month. So we're generating almost a little over one extra monthly payment into our Roth IRA so far. My current goal is to try to get this funded as fast as possible so that I can get the dividends working in my favor. The Roth IRA is one of those accounts that everybody who has earned income should have. Some people say that if you basically max out your Roth IRA into a target date retirement index fund, you should end up with a good chunk of money when you're old and gray. So especially if you start young. So hope you enjoyed the video. Here on Sunday Funday, we review 4 different portfolios. So if you would like to see more about our other portfolios, make sure you subscribe and check out those videos. Thanks for watching.